There has definitely been an inventory shortage in Roselle Park the past couple of months. Is that going to continue for November? Or is the housing market finally going to get the boost it needs to get some homes sold in town? Well, we're going to discuss that and much more right after this. Hi, I am Camille, local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area. And as always, I want to thank you for taking a moment out of your day to watch my video on Roselle Park's real estate housing market for November 2022. As I stated before, Roselle Park in the last 2 months in particular has had a major inventory shortage. And I was really interested in seeing if the housing, the amount of housing on the market was still at a really low number, or did the township finally get the influx that it needs as far as inventory for sale? Well, I'm going to go into some of these key numbers right now. Number one is unfortunately the bad news, which is that the inventory still remains at really low levels in town. In the month of November, only 5 homes came on the market. This is down from 21 1 year ago, or a 76% decrease. And because there were no new homes coming on the market, the inventory shortage in town still remains in effect. Last year, 23 homes were available for sale. This month in November, it was only 13. So that's down 44% from 1 year ago. The good news is that the average sales price of homes really skyrocketed this past month. Last year, the average sales price for a home was $392,500. This month in November, it actually hit the $500,000 mark. So that's correct, at $500,000 for those homes that did close in town. So now I'm going to take this one step further. I'm going to talk about the homes that did successfully close in town in the month of November to do a little bit more of an extensive look on some of the housing trends in town. Hey guys, so we're in front of my computer screen today. We're going to be focusing on more or less, I'll say, real time, if you want to call it that, homes that closed in Roselle Park. I might show you homes that actually are currently on the market too in Roselle Park. But I wanted to focus on homes that sold in Roselle Park in the month of November so you can get an idea of what is actually going on. So we're going to hit the search button and you're going to see 5 homes were listed or closed in the month of November. So I wanted to just point out a couple of things with this. First off, I really want to focus on these 2 columns right here. SP/LP, which is the list price to sales price percentage, which is how much a house sold above or below its asking amount, as well as days on market. So just a couple of things here. The homes that sold above asking. This one on West Lincoln sold 5,000 above asking, was 1% above its asking amount, and was only on the market for 13 days. Another one here on East Lincoln Avenue sold 35,000 above its asking amount, which was 6% above its asking amount, on the market for 17 days. So those 2 homes in particular moved very quickly when they were priced right, probably showed very well, and had buyers ready to move on it immediately. This is different than the one that stood on the market the longest, which is at 79 days. This home did give a little bit of a reduction on its list price, a 3% reduction. And so, is there a correlation between number of days on market and also, how much above or below a seller is willing to negotiate? Maybe. I mean, I could say though, this one was on the market for over 2 months and, they still were able to get their ask amount. And so, I just wanted to point those items out to you. Another important thing that I wanted to show you, I'm going to now change some of these parameters here. I want to take a look at the homes that are currently on the market. So I'm going to just delete that stuff. As of the time I've recorded this video, there are 7 homes that are currently on the market. And the reason why I want to show you this, look at these big days on market right here. 201 days, 246, 156. So now we're starting to see, even with the lack of inventory available on the market at this time in Roselle Park, you're starting to get homes that have some big numbers as far as days on the market is concerned. It'll be interesting to see if this pattern continues, even though there is, a lack of inventory, or once, you know, we get past the winter months and we start getting more options, if homes will still start to move really quickly in town. So I just wanted to point these items out to you.
And there you have it. Just a brief overview of what's happening in the housing market in the month of November. If you are thinking about doing something moving forward, if you're a home buyer or seller looking to do a real estate transaction in Roselle Park, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you out. My contact information is provided. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified every time I drop a video just like this one. And make sure you check me out on my social media platforms, especially Instagram and TikTok, where I post regularly. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a great day, week, and I look forward to speaking to you next month where we're going to be doing a year in review for 2022. Take care.